In this video, we're delving into the practical steps on how to revoke permissions in Metamask. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're at your Metamask portfolio and confirm that your wallet is connected. Think of it like ensuring you have the keys to your digital space. Now, head over to the settings. If you're on a desktop browser, you will find it in the drop-down menu on the top left of the page. This is your gateway to managing your permissions. Now, within the settings, look for the allowance category as this is where the real action takes place. Go ahead and choose the specific account you want to focus on. We're taking it one account at a time for precision. Now, the critical step, locating that revoke button. Click on it to signal to Metamask that you're putting an end to a specific allowance. But hold up, we're not quite there yet. Since revoking an allowance involves a transaction on the network, you will need to submit it through Metamask. So brace yourself for gas fees, a small price for taking control. Now hit that submit button and you've officially reclaimed your digital space. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to revoke permissions in Metamask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.